Today, I'm climbing Mount Bogong. Mount Bogong, the tallest mountain in Victoria. Ever since I laid eyes on it, it's been calling to me, taunting me. It's become an obsession. Been inserting itself in my life in ways that I never asked for. So there was only one solution, and that was to climb it. It was to be a 4-day trek through the alpine regions of Victoria, exploring some of the highest mountains in the country. I knew it wasn't going to be easy, so I'd spent weeks planning it, leaving no stone unturned. I also knew I couldn't do it alone, so I brought my friend Adam from Sydney. He was going to be my backup, help me navigate, and keep me sane. And with all that complete, there was only one thing left to do. And that was to climb it. Getting into the zone now. It's been pretty hard so far. We're getting there. Let's keep going. The climb continues. He's also suffering from the camelback condom taste.
Oh, dude, it's so bad.
I feel like this should have been one of those things that they came up with a solution with in R&D.
They should have solved this problem by now.
Yeah, because it's just like, oh, like I really need a drink of water, and then it's just, ugh. But yeah, we've reached a little bit of a flat, almost downhill spot, which has been a nice little change of pace.
Yeah.
It's been pretty relentlessly uphill so far. So, yeah, catch our breath a bit. Unfortunately, this sweat's not going to dry, it's just going to get replaced. This is probably me for this entire trip, so just pretend I've gone for an ocean swim. Taking a quick 5-minute break.
Yeah.
It's been a long walk so far, and we've been going for what, an hour or something?
Yeah, a bit over an hour, probably close
A bit over an hour. What's our progress?
Done about 2Ks.
And 300 meters elevation. That is piss poor. I was expecting more than that. That was depressing. But, you know, we're making progress. Oh, the trees and stuff are starting to change. Still quite a ways to climb, but so guessing about an hour to go. We'll see.
Enjoy.
This is a nice flat bit, and then it's going to get steep.
I'm guessing this is the Mitchell hut. Critical life-saving equipment. I don't think we're at that stage yet. Oh, there's the Mitchell hut. Oh, there's a fork in the road. Well, I'm going right. I hope you're correct.
I hope so too.
Lights got a hold on me, you can tell by the way I'm talking. I see they got a hold on you, I can tell by the way you've been walking. It's getting hard, mama. It's getting hard. It's getting hard, mama. It's getting sun and it's hotter than a jungle too. Praying for the winter, but it ain't much better when your feet are freezing off in your boots. It's getting hot, mama.
Can almost see my house from here. Ah, just having a little break. Almost at the summit. We're pretty shattered. It was like manageable, and then just this last bit just been so hard. We walked all that. So yeah, I think we've earned the right to catch our breath. We'll keep going in a sec. Oh, tell me this is nearly the top.
So we're going to hit up Mount Bogong summit. We're going to come back here, take that trail to the left. Yeah, we're almost there.
Hey, look, snow.
Yeah, snow.
Fully sick. Let's get the snowboard, bro. To the summit.
We're about 100 meters away from the top of Mount Bogong. Man, it feels good. It has been a hard day.
There she is. Nearly there. We made it! Not really too keen to hang around for heaps long. It's pretty chilly up here. You've only been here like one day and you've already conquered Victoria. Well, that was a nice little break. Now we're going to get out of this high altitude cold and find somewhere to camp.
This part of the Alpine region is really serene and creepy. I don't know like why. It's like usually this would be covered in snow and we're just at the top walking along the ridge, but you're surrounded by all the valleys, you know, like everything else around you.
It's definitely a bit creepy, especially when you got like the dead.
Yeah.
The dead, I don't know, whether it's snow gums or something.
Yeah.
It's been a bit easier now that we passed the summit.
Yeah.
Still not easy. But yeah, the niggles are starting. I've got like an issue with my hip flexor, which I'm nursing. It's manageable.
This thing, you see this clip? It's got a whistle in it.
Well, that's cool. While you're hiking, you can also referee a game of soccer or something. So you can pull a Rose in Titanic and save us.
Yes, exactly.
Hopefully we don't sink the cruise ship on this trip. Got some creepy rocks.
plant skeletons.
Spooky. Getting there.
Look at this. This is a tasty combination of freeze-dried lamb, pumpkins, raisins, and apples served with couscous.
Looks like cereal.
It does look a bit like cereal. I agree with you, actually.
See how that goes. 4 months plus. This is the perfect age to enjoy some rum. Perfect for a 4-month-old.
Oh.
To sit in the curry. Alright, that's the end of day 1. We'll see you for tomorrow. We had no idea what was coming next.
Yeah, so that.
Really not a great situation to be in. This is like worst possible scenario. And we've run out of water.